Namaste students, welcome back. We are in the chapter 35 now. Let's get started with our lesson. The title is School Kaisa Tha. I repeat, try to repeat after me. School Kaisa Tha. School Kaisa Tha. Kaisa we have already done. How? School Kaisa Tha. English translation. How was the school? Now, we have just done was and were in the last chapter, so I will not introduce any new grammar concept, any new grammar topic in this one. Instead, we will focus on practicing it more. Alright, let's go directly to the lesson story. I have nothing to explain here. So, in this lesson, we will see that our foreign delegates are seeing off the school teachers and staff. They are going back. Raju asks them to put a few words in the golden book. And this is what they write. A golden book, a book where institutions record special events, special achievements, and also comments from their esteemed guests. Alright, so now let's see what our foreign delegates are writing in this book. There are 5 sentences. Let's read them once and then we will discuss the structure, new words and the grammar in these sentences. School बहुत अच्छा था. School बहुत अच्छा था. सब बच्चे बहुत होशियार थे. सब बच्चे बहुत होशियार थे. स्कूल के अध्यापक भी मिलनसार थे. स्कूल के अध्यापक भी मिलनसार थे. स्कूल बहुत सुंदर था. स्कूल बहुत सुंदर था. राजू को शुक्रिया, उन्हें कई भाषाएं आती हैं. Let's read them once more. स्कूल बहुत अच्छा था. सब बच्चे बहुत होशियार थे. सब बच्चे बहुत होशियार थे. स्कूल के अध्यापक भी मिलनसार थे. स्कूल बहुत सुंदर था. राजू को शुक्रिया, उन्हें कई भाषाएं आती हैं. Now, let's discuss them one by one. स्कूल बहुत अच्छा था. बहुत is very, अच्छा is good. School, we consider school a masculine noun, so अच्छा and tha are used. For feminine, अच्छी and थी. School बहुत अच्छी थी. बहुत will not change, very. Alright? स्कूल बहुत अच्छा था. सब बच्चे बहुत होशियार थे. सब बच्चे, बच्चा kid, बच्चे plural kids. Alright? सब बच्चे बहुत, again very. होशियार, a new word for you. होशियार, intelligent. Invariable adjective, so it will not change according to the number and gender of the noun. All the kids were intelligent. Alright, they are saying. स्कूल के अध्यापक भी बहुत मिलनसार थे. स्कूल के अध्यापक, school teachers, भी, also, भी, बहुत, no, बहुत is not there. मिलनसार थे. मिलनसार थे. Now, if you remember, we have done a verb milna. milna, to meet, and milansar, it's someone who likes to meet people. Milansar, friendly. The school teachers were also friendly, right? Now, school बहुत सुंदर था. School बहुत सुंदर था. Sundar, beautiful. Again, invariable adjective. Beautiful. School was very beautiful. Fifth one. राजू को शुक्रिया. राजू को शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया. Repeat after me. This is important. शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया. Thanks. Thanks to Raju. They are thanking Raju. Why? उन्हें, Raju is singular, but they are using उन्हें plural form to show respect. उन्हें कई, many. Don't get confused between कई, many, and कोई. कोई is someone. कई भाषाएं, भाषा, language. भाषाएं, languages. आती हैं, because भाषाएं, plural, so हैं is used. He knows many languages. They are thanking Raju because he helped them to have conversation with the school teachers and students. He knows many languages, so he helped them in communication. All right. So these were the 5 sentences. Let's go and see the other parts of this chapter. There's nothing much here because I have not introduced any new grammar concept in this chapter. So that's all for now. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.